Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my mango popsicles with chamoy, or how other people like to call them mangonadas. The recipe is so easy and simple to make. All you need is 4 ingredients. Once you finish chopping all your mango, you're gonna grab your little container and I'm gonna fill this up with chamoy. Okay, so once you fill your little cups with chamoy, we're gonna add some tajin.
Some
What?
Some Tahitian.
Tajin. Now we're gonna be adding our juice. Now we're gonna be adding our little chunks of mango in there. Now the last thing, I'm gonna top it off with some tajin. Just like that.
Okay, so since we don't have the popsicle maker mold, since we are using this, we need something to hold our stick up. So we're gonna get a piece of mango like that to be like our base, and then we're gonna stick the stick in there just like that to hold it up when we place them inside the cups.
This is how they look. So now we're gonna put them in the freezer for about 3 to 4 hours, and we'll show you guys how they look once they're done. Okay, so we just took them out of the freezer, and this is how they look. So this is the final result. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.